What's going on, guys? It's me, Kevin, aka Fit Man Cook, and today in the Fuel and Gains kitchen, we are whipping up some triple chocolate energy bites for that midday pick-me-up. Let's get to it. To a food processor, add oatmeal, chocolate whey protein, and cacao or dark chocolate powder. Blend it up until it's like powder. Then add pitted dates and almond butter. Blend until it's a chunky batter like brownies. Add the batter to silicone ice cube trays and leave a little bit of room at the top. Set it in the fridge while we prep the chocolate. Melt down some chocolate chips, then add a small amount to each bite. Place it in the freezer for 1 hour. Pop out each bite whenever you need a pick-me-up or to curb those sweet cravings. The macros, I got them. This has been Fuel and Gains with Bodybuilding.com. Remember to come back next week because we are keeping it healthy, but never, ever boring. Ooh!
Literally like a brownie.
I should jab like a brownie.
Thank y'all for watching. Be sure that you smash that like button below and remember to ring that bell so you can be notified for more of these awesome, wonderful Gains recipes.